Editing seems to be the kryptonite of communication professionals. They're all ready to make an impactful video, and then when it comes to actually putting it together, they head for the hills. There are a million videos about editing techniques. Strategy is more important. Your video absolutely, positively needs to start with a hook, or it will never be watched. So when you're putting it together, take the most interesting, most important, most impactful snippet and put it at the front of the video. Get the viewer's attention instantly. Okay, now ignore the center of the video for a second. Go to the end of your video edit. The video needs to end with a bang or your viewers won't take action. So take your second most interesting, second most important, second most impactful snippet and put it at the end of the video. Great, now you have your bookends. Now craft the center of the video to connect the beginning with the end, and voila, your edit is done. Like and subscribe to get more mission-driven marketing tips, and let us help you to grow with video.